The AI revolution isn't just coming, it's already here. In 2025, powerful yet little-known AI tools are quietly reshaping industries, automating complex tasks, and making certain jobs obsolete faster than ever. From creative work to technical processes, these innovations are rewriting the rules of productivity. Podcastle. Podcastle is an AI-driven, all-in-one studio built to make podcasting and video production simple. No Pro Tools or advanced editing skills required. It offers remote recording, transcript-based editing, and a one-click cleanup feature that removes background noise, sharpens voice clarity, and even deletes filler words like or oh instantly. For video, its AI eye contact correction ensures you appear to be looking directly into the camera. In 2024, Podcastle rolled out real-time collaboration, AI voice cloning, and a multi-track editor that lets participants edit their own audio independently. From solo creators to marketing teams, it's quickly becoming a powerful, user-friendly alternative to traditional editing suites like Adobe Audition or Descript, streamlining production without sacrificing quality. Clay. Clay is becoming an essential tool for modern sales teams, merging lead generation, research, and AI-powered outreach into one seamless platform. It pulls data from sources like LinkedIn, Crunchbase, and Google, then uses GPT-4 to craft personalized, natural-sounding emails. Simply set your filters, and Clay automatically builds the list, researches each prospect, and writes tailored messages. Its latest automated workflows can detect site visitors, identify their company, qualify leads, and send custom responses within minutes. According to McKinsey, companies using AI in sales report 10 to 20% higher conversion rates, and Clay is at the forefront of this transformation. With its precise, results-driven approach, it's redefining scalable and intelligent outreach for fast-moving businesses. Luma Genie. Luma Genie by Luma Labs is transforming 3D asset creation, allowing users to generate fully textured models from simple text prompts in under 10 seconds. Just type something like, "a low-poly treasure chest with gold coins," and Genie instantly produces a ready-to-use 3D file compatible with Blender, Unity, or other engines. Game developers, AR creators, and designers are already leveraging it to produce props, concept art, and models that would normally take hours to craft manually. Integrated with Luma's photogrammetry system, it also lets users scan real-world objects and enhance or remix them using AI. Fast, intuitive, and versatile, Genie is redefining 3D workflows, accelerating the entire design-to-deployment process while expanding creative possibilities. Mubert. Mubert is changing the way creators source background music by using AI to instantly generate royalty-free tracks from simple prompts like 2-minute ambient electronic. Choose your mood, genre, and duration, and Mubert produces a unique, copyright-safe track using a blend of licensed human samples and AI composition. This makes it a favorite for YouTubers, streamers, and app developers who need quick, reliable music without risking content ID strikes. As copyright enforcement tightens on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, Mubert offers a powerful alternative to traditional stock libraries. Best of all, no two tracks are ever the same. Each one is freshly generated, giving your content originality while keeping it fully compliant with copyright regulations. Emergent.sh. Emergent.sh is transforming web app development by allowing anyone to create fully functional applications simply by describing them in plain English. No coding, templates, or developers required. For example, you could request, create a journaling app with login, dark mode, and PDF export, and within minutes, the AI builds it, handling the front end, back end, and live hosting. What makes Emergent unique is its use of autonomous AI agents that don't just write code, they run, test, and deploy it in real time. While tech giants like OpenAI and Meta are still exploring agentic AI in labs, Emergent is already delivering it to everyday users. Perfect for startups, solo founders, and non-technical teams, it offers a glimpse of a future where app creation is instant, automated, and accessible. GWI Spark. GWI Spark is revolutionizing market research by delivering real-time, zero-party data collected directly from live survey panels in over 50 countries. Developed by Global Web Index, it provides consent-based insights from real people. No scraped content or outdated reports. You can ask precise questions like, how does Gen Z feel about AI chatbots? And receive statistically accurate results in minutes. While major brands like Google and Spotify already leverage this method, Spark makes it accessible to smaller teams as well. With third-party cookies disappearing and behavioral tracking facing restrictions, privacy-compliant, opt-in data is becoming vital for marketers. Spark offers fast, reliable, and representative insights, perfectly suited for a post-cookie era where authentic consumer voices shape better business decisions. Nullface. Nullface is an advanced AI tool transforming how video content is made. Known for viral face-swapped clips, comedic edits, and seamless scene insertions, it goes far beyond traditional face swapping. Using multimodal AI that combines image synthesis with motion tracking, Nullface can quickly create realistic, faceless, or avatar-driven videos with minimal effort. What once required green screens, skilled editors, and hours of work now takes minutes. Creators, marketers, and meme pages are using it to localize ads by digitally replacing faces and voices for different regions without reshooting. Similar innovations like Alibaba's EMO and Meta's EMU or Movie Gen highlight this growing trend. As generative video becomes increasingly lifelike, the boundary between real and AI-generated media is rapidly fading. Inflection Pi. Inflection Pi is an AI built for connection rather than pure productivity. Developed by Inflection AI and co-founded by DeepMind's Mustafa Suleyman, Pi focuses on being a thoughtful, emotionally intelligent companion. Instead of just providing quick answers, it engages in meaningful dialogue, listening, remembering context, and responding with empathy. Pi even asks questions back, creating a more natural, human-like exchange. Accessible via web, mobile app, and WhatsApp, it's always within reach for real conversations. While most AI tools chase speed and efficiency, Pi takes a different path, prioritizing trust, understanding, and emotional support. It's quietly redefining the role of AI in everyday life, showing that being helpful can mean far more than just getting tasks done. Dzine AI is the go-to solution for creating high-quality designs in minutes. No design skills or team required. Simply type a prompt like Instagram graphic for 35% Black Friday discount, and it generates a polished, professional visual instantly. Unlike Canva or Microsoft Designer, Dzine AI focuses on smart layout and content hierarchy, producing designs that look like they came from a trained professional rather than a generic template. Since its quiet launch in late 2023, it has helped startups and agencies cut design time by over 80%, enabling them to produce pitch decks, social carousels, infographics, and more, without touching Figma. In today's content-driven world, Dzine AI is becoming a powerful secret weapon for non-designers and fast-moving teams. Gumloop. Gumloop is a no-code platform that lets you connect leading AI models like GPT-4, Claude, or xAI's Grok to your business tools without coding or API headaches. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can quickly build AI workflows to automate tasks such as summarizing CRM meeting notes, querying internal databases, or running real-time research. Think of it as Zapier powered by AI agents, with seamless integrations into the tools your team already uses. Its standout feature is multi-model access, allowing you to switch between several top-tier AI models from one unified dashboard. Already adopted by startups and growth teams, Gumloop is emerging as the go-to solution for turning raw AI capabilities into real-world productivity, fast, flexible, and accessible. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming the engine behind how we work, create, and innovate. The tools we've explored today are shaping the future right now, and the question is, are you ready to use them before everyone else does?